Hi there, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make an AI avatar with Midjourney. So this is what we're going to do. I used basically just a normal image. So this is the image I used for this. So I used just a normal image and then I converted it into something like this. So we're going to jump into action and then go ahead and then do this. In my previous tutorial, I already explained what Midjourney is. So Midjourney is just an independent research lab exploring new mediums of thoughts and expanding the imaginative powers of the human species. So let's jump into action and then create this amazing avatar using Midjourney. So this is the platform. Basically, this is what you're going to do. You go to this website. I'm going to leave the link at the description. That's the midjourney.com. You first need to sign up and then also join at the beta version. So you have to go join as beta and then sign up. I've already done that. So if you do the registration, just join and it's going to take you to the Midjourney AI platform. So you're just going to load and you just have to accept the invite. You can see there's dozens of people, over 8 million members are on this platform, and currently over 600 are currently online. So I just have to click on this invite and then wait 4 days to load and go to the Discord. So I have set up my server and everything. I'm working on a beginner video where I'll show you how to set up your server and everything. So subscribe and turn on post notifications and see alert for that particular video. But for now, I have already done that. So what you need to do is to go ahead and use any of the newbies room. So we're going to use this. Just open this to have access to the chat section of this. You can see there's amazing stuff going on here. A lot of people are online using this amazing platform to generate a lot of AI inspired art. So let's go ahead and then first add our image. And I'm going to click on this, the plus icon. This is the image we're going to use. I have the image already here downloaded. So this is the image we're going to load onto this platform. So I need to go ahead, click on this plus icon and then upload this image. I'm going to upload this image and hit enter in order to load this image. My image is currently loading. I just have to wait for this to load, and this is my image. So click on this image after you are done loading the image. Click on it and we have to copy the address. So copy image address. Once we are done, we want to basically create an avatar. So come down here to this chat part and just use the backslash, and we are going to type imagine. So imagine, you can see that at the top, so you can just see the tab key to select that. Okay, you can just use the tab key to select that, and we are going to paste the link, the image address we copy. We paste that and then we'll add some few keywords. Okay, the first I want to say beautiful, comma, I can also type colorful, comma, I can also type high resolution, comma, and I can also go ahead and then type something like realistic cyber punk, something like this, comma, and I'll type v4. That's the Midjourney version 4, and then I just have to hit the enter key on my keyboard. It's actually going to generate this for me, and this is my username. It's a waiting to start, so I just have to wait for this to run. It's going to generate the low resolution version and then improve on that to give me something more realistic. So we just have to give ourselves some time to do this. So it's already generating my AI inspired avatar for me. So we just have to wait, and this is going to keep loading. You can see it's already generating my avatar for me. It's going to get the low version resolution. It's around 62% now. We just have to wait, and it's going to keep loading and then generate the high version for us. Like, subscribe for more videos and amazing stuff right here on the channel. So let me just scroll down. There's a lot of people on this platform, so you just have to scroll to make sure you identify that. So you can see we currently have our AI inspired avatar. So you see how we managed to convert this image into something more interesting, AI inspired. So we have the version 4 here, which is basically the most improved version here. So we can easily click on that and then just get a fourth one, or you can just go through the list and then pick the one you feel is best for you. So we have this, we have 1, 2, 3. So you can see we have up to 3. So any of them that you want to pick and work with, you can easily select that from the list. Number 2 is not bad. I think they are all so beautiful, and they are all very beautiful, and then we can use any of them for our art. So you can see we have this amazing part. So you can see we have this amazing setup or amazing AI generated avatar for us. There's a lot coming up on this channel, and don't forget to turn on post notifications. Stay alert for more amazing stuff. So this is how to create an AI inspired avatar using Midjourney. Till I come your way again. Bye bye.